But Coach, just take us to the field of play. I mean, a young Hugo, you gave him the last 3 minutes of the game where he made his debut. Today you did the same with Mduduzi Shabalala. Is it something that you always work on, that you give a player his debut with so much time left? Is it because the young player? Just take us through that. And what do you make of his stay in the camp?
You know, when you work with young players and yeah, it's normal that I can't give them a standard position in the team. So you have to bring them easily and on the right moment. And I think today it was a right moment, even it was only 3 minutes or 5 minutes, but they tasted the atmosphere and they tasted the group spirit. And I shouldn't have given them a chance if I didn't see on the training how they behave themselves. Hey, if I can take the example of Shabalala, okay, he wanted to prove himself on the training, and this is what I want. You see, Cupido came. He didn't ask him questions. The coach called me. I'm there. And I told him when I arrived, you will see if Lyle is ready, then you will be on the stands. But if Lyle is not ready, Magopa will play and you will be on the bench. And he said, no problem. I'm so happy that I'm here. And with such guys you can work because they like to come. They don't ask conditions. I come, but don't, am I playing? Or whatever. No. The coach called me, the national team wants me, I'm coming. And then from my side, I have to give them confidence, and I have to let them feel, okay, guy, I appreciate that you are here. I appreciate what you did on training. I think it was the right moment to do it.